You would need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, half teaspoon of salt. I have prepared this yeast mixture by dissolving 1 teaspoon of dry yeast in 1 cup of warm water. To enhance its activity, I have also added 1 tablespoon of sugar and allowed the mixture to sit for 10 minutes, during which it has developed this foamy consistency. You would also need 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of flour. In a mixing bowl, whisk the egg and milk together until well combined. In a separate bowl, add the salt to the flour and mix. Now make a well in the center of the flour and add the clarified butter, the foamy yeast mixture, and the egg and milk mixture. Mix everything together until a soft dough forms. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 2 hours. It should double in size and look like this. Now it's time to cook the naan. Heat the skillet over low heat. You can add a teaspoon of olive oil. This step is optional, but it adds a nice touch. Place a portion of the dough on the skillet. Use a spoon to spread it and cook on low flame for about 4 minutes. Once bubbles appear and the bottom is golden, cook the other side until it's nicely brown. Serve warm with your favorite gravy, soup, or enjoy it just as it is.